Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Scott's equipment from VA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Scott's got a note with this unit, and he's talking about the arms are not working properly or they're not moving at all. We want to go ahead and troubleshoot the main PC board that controls the functions for Goofy. We also want to look at the mechanical side of Goofy and make sure it's not an issue with the gear cluster pack or any of the cams and linkages that move Goofy. We will be troubleshooting the entire lamp while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that this unit had a lot of issues in the gear cluster pack, and we're limited to any kind of parts. You probably wouldn't find the parts, so we have to work with what we have. And one of the issues was there's an axle with a cam on it, and it rides on other cams. And so basically it was too loose in its case for the gear cluster pack, and we had to tighten that situation up. If this unit doesn't properly set up at different times, it's just because it's been tightened up, and if you run a cycle or two, it should clear up and be fine. We've plugged the electrical cord into an electrical outlet, and we have the main power switch in the back of the base of Goofy in the on position, and we're ready to go ahead and turn the lamp on. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now we want to give it a second. We do not want to turn these type of lamps on and off too quickly. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Oh, where'd you go?
We'll give that a second. Turn the unit back on.
Things are looking brighter already.
And Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the unit on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Sure is dark all of a sudden.
We'll go ahead and turn the unit on.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is.
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit off.
Guess it's time to go. See you later.
And we'll turn the unit back on.
Well, that's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
We'll give that a second. We'll turn the unit off.
Well, who turned out the light?
We'll turn the unit back on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll go ahead and turn the unit off. We'll turn the unit on one last time.
Yippee, things are looking brighter already.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to Scott and they can enjoy this lamp. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.